Well, concrete day today, supposedly. Ugh. It just rained like a good inch, half inch while we were here. Well, first load of concrete. Does that help?
Yep.
I heard that.
You're not working today, huh?
No.
Why not?
Too rainy.
You guys doing anything?
Nope. Just work on truck.
I'm gonna roll up on that back side.
Okay. Didn't want the splatter on that chain.
Big time to steal my shoulder. I got this one for you. A little bit more. Spring loaded, I call it. That's the level back there, right? You put a pencil mark back there. Huh? Actually. What's that? You put a pencil mark back there, right? I did on that one side just to see if it's about an inch up on that board.
Yeah, then they're gonna move the truck over and do this one here.
I can take you straight back. Want to swing that shit? No, we're all right. You got it. Good deal. Yeah.
I think that'll work.
Whoa.
Up.
Shoot down. Drop, shoot down.
Perfect.
Hold back. Good right there. Yeah.
Man, it is just a beautiful day out today. And there he comes. Victory Outdoor Service, Ryan. These things are like speaking Dutch to you, sir. It'd be nice if we had some of them front loaders, but they're kind of scarce in Ohio. Now he's gonna come back and start his run all over again. Hey, you're being watched. Double. Yeah. This one here, then just dump it in here. Just waste it in there. You see the hole? Atta boy. Mama didn't raise no dummy. There you go. Good. Too greasy to do the other piece, so the dad, I says, let's put some concrete in that. He's like, yeah, we can waste it back here. So it ain't smooth no more, Ryan. Just kind of goober it all in or whatever.
Hey, run over there and grab a rake.
A rake? There, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Washing up, cleaning up, and I think these guys are done. It's just too schnutzy out here for his track machine. Yeah, oh crap. Yep, it's all full of water. But I don't even think, you know, I don't even think you can pour with water in it, can you? Maybe. I mean, it rained good and hard. You can tell, I think he got about here with the skid loader and said, So, yeah. No sense in muddying up the pasture more than it already is. Sir, is there anything worse than cat prints and concrete?
Cars.
Really?
Yep.
So there are stupid people out in the world.
Oh, yeah.
Did you have cones up or anything?
Yep. Caution tape, cones.
And they just said, hey, let's drive through this?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Do people not use their heads?
Not anymore.
Ugh. Yep. Well, hey, at least it gives a character.
Yeah.
It's not concrete unless there's cat prints in it. Something's telling me this is a trip hazard for the guy shoveling grain to the cows. But I think I'll be able to manage. I think, well, I'll just have to manage. These boards down here.
Oh, we can get those out.
That's fine. I can step over them. That's fine. You can let them there.
She did, at first, we're like, you know where you're at? She's like, no.
You're stuck in concrete, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now, I thought you were going to let them cat prints there.
No.
No? Come on! Give it some character! Jeez. What kind of a guy are you? Oh, would you hush? Stupid cats. So you're just gonna let your skid loaders here over the weekend?
I'm not sure. I think we might come back tomorrow, try to pour that curb.
You might. Well, let me look at my
I don't know
radar.
if it's gonna rain again or what.
I don't know.
He wanted to do it today.
Well, you might be able. It's already 61 degrees out.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't rain or anything again.
42% chance at 1 o'clock. Tomorrow, 24% chance of rainy, schnutzy, cloudy weather. Well, minus the rainy part. Let's just say 25% chance of clouds. And then Saturday, 54 with a low of 36. Friday, tomorrow night, 27 for a low. So, I think you guys will be able to pour that tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think.
Unless he has something else. I don't.
I'm going to Loudonville tomorrow.
Are you?
I'm going to Cleveland tomorrow.
What's that?
I don't know what else is going on. That's all I know of this for.
And he's pulling the plug. They're done. I'd be too if it kept raining non-stop.